Hey guys, it's David Aldridge, author of Guitar Star in 30 Days, founder of David Aldridge Guitar Schools, where I help you find your strengths and build confidence through learning how to play the guitar. By the end of this video, I'm so excited, you'll know how to play Old MacDonald Had a Farm, and maybe this is your first song. How exciting! If you are new to guitar, stay tuned, stay in the game as I guide you through every step to playing Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Remember, take your time and one note at a time and you'll get there. Then you can work up to more challenging things. My hope for you is to grow into a guitar star so you can show your family, friends, how talented you really are. Okay, so today I'm going to be using a guitar pick, but it's okay to use your thumb. And Old MacDonald we're going to learn in 3 easy steps. Step 1, we're going to learn the notes. Step 2, we're going to string it together. And then step 3, you're going to play along with me. Okay, let's make a start. Here we go. If you're enjoying this video, hit subscribe and be notified every time I post new videos weekly about learning how to play the guitar, finding your strengths, building confidence, and ultimately becoming a guitar star. Okay, so we're going to play fret 3 on string 1. Then we're going to jump on to string 2. Then open first string. Then back onto fret 3, open second string, fret 2 string 3, then open third string. Okay, so next we're going to play fret 3 string 2, back onto string 1, string 2, open first string, open second string, third string. Okay, pause the video if you need to, but we're going to keep going. Okay, what I've got for you today is called Guitar Star in 30 Days. It's a challenge to learn guitar in 30 days in 30 tiny steps. You can find the link in the description below. And I can't wait to see you in the course. Okay, here we go. So we're at fret 3, string 2, twice, string 1, back onto string 2, onto string 2, back to string 1, open second string, fret 2, then open third string. Alright, well done. So please pause the video and learn the notes. And once you've got those notes learnt, then move on to step 2, where we're going to start to string those notes together. Okay, well done on completing step 1. Here we go, here's step 2. You don't have to figure everything out now. We are still marching along. But if you are still watching, I have got nothing but admiration for you. I honour your dedication to your practice and growth, and good for you. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. I hope you're enjoying the series. Stay in the game, keep engaged, and go back and watch this video if you need to. Okay, welcome to part 3. Just play along with me. Here we go. I care about your progress, and progress leads to happiness. I want you to be incredibly good at guitar. When you finish this video today, here's the first thing I want you to do. Here's your homework. Go practice Old MacDonald at least 5 minutes a day. Keep rewatching the video if you need to. If you are still here, it's been an honor teaching you today. Until next time, go and practice every day. And remember, your greatest strength is your commitment to your practice. And as always, believe in yourself as much as I believe in you.